Okay naman siya. Nagkita kami ni former President Rodrigo Duterte sa loob. Nandoon pa rin siya sa loob ng hospital. So, hindi pa siguro siya all clear. Base siguro sa assessments ng doctors niya. He's in very good spirits. Meron siyang, tinanong ko siya kung kamusta yung pagkain. Sabi niya meron namang rice.
Bisaya,
VP,
Yes.
regarding the legal, his legal team and his decision na sabi ni Attorney Roque, he has to decide on. Has he made that decision?
Very very general lang ang pwede ko i-discuss about the legal team and the legal strategies and kung anong mga ways forward legally. Unang-una, his team is headed by Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. And then meron pa akong mga kakausapin ng mga lawyers, no. Meron pang darating na isang abogado. I-interview ko siya para sumali sa team. And then once maayos na yung team for ICC, mag-withdraw si Attorney Medialdea kasi meron lang limited na mga slots for lawyers, and we want all the lawyers on board na merong ICC experience.
So, Attorney Harry Roque po, hindi po kasama?
So far, hindi siya kasama sa legal team. Si Attorney Harry
bakit
Roque.
po?
So, dalawa pa lang po. Yung potential na kakausapin pa lang, if ever.
Meron na kaming listahan, pero yung isa kasi darating siya dito.
So, puro foreign po.
Foreign po yun.
Yes, oo.
Ilan po kaya?
Kung ilan, you may have to ask Attorney Kaufman.
Bakit po hindi kasama si Attorney Roque?
Well, because hindi pa kasi na-establish kung ano yung basis ng pag-stay niya dito sa Netherlands. And we don't want complications ba. Gusto namin nakatutok talaga yung lawyers doon sa kaso. And right now, I heard applying for asylum. And he publicly announced that already. No? So we want him to focus on his asylum. And then we want our lawyers to focus on the case.
Yun po yung